Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for this quick recipe walkthrough of one of my favorite holiday dishes, cornbread stuffing. This dish can serve as a side or an entree. It's easy and the results are always delicious. So, here are my ingredients. I use 2 bags of stuffing and 2 boxes of cornbread, but you don't have to make one that large. So, we have milk, we have sausage, butter, eggs, Jiffy cornbread mix, olive oil, chicken bouillon cubes for my chicken broth that we will need later, onion, celery, and herb seasoned classic stuffing. I also have a secret ingredient that I will reveal to you later. So here we go. Before I start working on the actual stuffing, what I do is make my cornbread. For this video, I had to make 2 batches, so I did that while I was cooking. Make sure you follow the instructions on the back of the cornbread. So, step 1, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We then want to chop our celery and our onions. Once we have those chopped, we want to saute the onions and the celery, and we want to saute them until they start to look translucent or clear. At that point, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper if you want to. And here's the secret ingredient that I add just to kick the flavor up a notch. If you missed it, rewind the video, watch it again, and you'll see it. Once your veggies are cooked, you want to transfer them into a bowl, and then in the same pan, cook your sausage. When the sausage is done, you want to add the veggies back to it and continue to let it cook down. Now it's time to put it all together. In a large bowl, combine the stuffing, cornbread, sausage with the veggies, and make sure you mix that really well. At this point, you now want to take what you would consider your dry ingredients and get them to a consistency that is smooth, moist, and thick. Be careful though, do not add too much liquid. So, you need to add milk and chicken stock until you get it to that consistency that is smooth, moist, and thick. You then want to transfer the stuff into a greased pan. You may need more than one. You then want to cover and bake for an hour. I usually check mine every 30 minutes or so, depending on how thick I make it. because you never want to overcook it. To determine if the dish is done, on the top it will be brown, a golden brown, and you'll be able to stick a fork and a knife in it and it'll come out clean. To serve it, cut it in squares and you can enjoy it with or without gravy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.